The company, it is in a much better place where it was before starting with Luke. When Luke commits to something, he means business and he follows through. And sometimes, to be honest, even I did not manage to follow through my own stuff, but Luke will make sure that he follows every single thing that we agreed to follow. So he made me accountable too. So someone who comes from outside knows what needs to be done, and keep everybody accountable. It is what shorts the time. What you don't know, you don't know. You need someone who is expert in this field. Where we were, it was not a good place to be. I had something in my mind as a business owner, but Luke sees the part of operation. And this is what really matters, not what we wish, but we need to face the brutal reality. Then a good strategy and a plan was laid, and Luke followed through. And this is something characteristic of Luke, that when he says, by next week, we're gonna follow through 1, 2, 3 steps, I am a person that I live in the future, which most of entrepreneurs live in the future. But we need someone to be grounded on the floor and execute what it is planned. So step by step we started, and things start falling in place. Although small little steps, but they were done firm and surely. Systems and processes. Luke is a big believer of systems, minimize double work, and focus was also the third thing I would say that it stands out from the rest. The company, it is in a much better place where it was before starting with Luke. And if I have to give a value in euros, I would easily say that it goes to hundreds of thousands of euros. We want also to go into ISO 9001. And I realized that with the help of Luke, we are already doing 80% of what ISO 9001 is all about. So we didn't look for the certificate at the bottom of our emails, at the signature, but we were looking for actually improving the company. I would strongly recommend you engage Luke, and he is not just for the ISO certificate, but he is in real improving your company in many, many aspects.